Welcome back with another video, and this time I'm at GSS. Yes, Graduate Student Symposium in Kent State University.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind.
Graduate Student Symposium include three presentation styles: oral presentation, poster presentations, and workshops. Oral presentations are for 10 minutes, poster presentations are for 90 minutes, and workshops are for 30 minutes.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run up.
So we are at the poster presentations, and let's meet someone and ask questions about their research.
Hi.
Can you please explain?
Sure. Let's start to explain what is quantum computer compared to what we use every day. Quantum computer, instead of bits, which can be in a state of 0 or 1, and then we work with them in our laptop, PC, or whatever that we are using, Mac. They have qubits, which can be in a state of 0 and 1 at the same time or between. That gives us the benefit of calculating all the computation at the same time, and then speed up our algorithm and then solve NP hard problem. But currently, because of the design flaws on quantum computers, we have errors. Now, this research is focused on four motivation, which is the effectiveness of error on quantum result, the evaluation that we wanted to see if our experiment or result is good enough, and then remove the metric drawbacks, and then use the PCA analysis to come up with a better system. Now, quantums, the qubit error fits into two categories. One is operation error, which is the rotations, C0 errors, and then read out errors, which you use them when you wanted to put information on a qubit to get some information back, like a function, or you wanted to measure your qubit. And then we have retention errors, T1 to T2 in superconducting material. T1 usually means that when you put your qubit into the phase amplitude of close to 1, how much time you have until it decoheres to the relaxation time. T2 is the error affected by other qubits or the environment on your operational qubit that you wanted to work on. Now, why using a PCA? Because we have so many errors and the data is diverse. We don't know what to work on and which one is correlated to what. We use the PCA method over here to map these errors into different states of the algorithm, and then drive some sort of analysis of calibration data. So what's happening over here is the end user or some scientist is going to submit a logical circuit, which is just a pure definition of their algorithm in quantum world, to the Qiskit API. Now you have different backends or target machine quantum computers that you can select from Amazon, IBM, or whoever is providing those quantum computers. You can have different backends. Our system was IBM, but still in IBM board we have different machines with the different quantum processors. So we get those backend names, we download the properties or the errors that I mentioned earlier, and then it's called calibration data. We look through those calibration data with a PCA, and we generate some model over here, and then suggest some modification or mapping for logical qubit to backend computer, quantum computer over here, to reduce the errors on different error variation, like readout and CNOT are one category from operation errors, and then T1, T2 are the other category, retention errors. So we suggest those, and then finally execute it to reduce the error and then increase the fidelity. fidelity means that how accurate your quantum algorithm is going to be executed on the machine, and this circuit success rate, so you don't have to run it multiple times. So that's our future work is going to be use different techniques or come up with a better, more diverse general model. So if you have any question, I'm happy to answer it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Sure.
much for this.